Hello viewers, welcome to my channel itechsolution. Today I will discuss on registry in Windows. Now what is an registry? You see the definition here. It is a handle to registry key of Windows, that is a typed set supplied in Windows header files. A type difference can be thought of as an alias of Windows files. In registry, a handle represents an open instance of a basic operating system object with which applications interact as a real action of desktop environment and vice versa. So that is a short difference, a short definition at a HIVES. That is, REST is a HIVES or warehouse of all information of an operating system objects. So there is a class, and it is the short command in the regedit in run command window. So in practical, you see window R, this is the run command window. Here I will type regedit. Okay, it will open this area of registry HIVES, which is also known as a registry editor. There are 5 registry HIVES which are here. You see HKey classes root. HKey is the handle to key. Here is in the definition you see here the word is handle to registry key, which is the short key as HKey, handle to registry key. So now the classes are HKey classes root, HKey current users, HKey local machine, HKey users, and HKey underscore current underscore config. And these are the main warehouse of all Windows information, both hardware and software, which is handled by operating system. So you see what are the definitions and what are the works behind this. I just type it for your information here. In this table I will type the definition, just work environment here. You see first is HK classes root. It stores information about files, associations due to which OS opens file with correct program. So the task is also defined here. Second thing is HK current user, which definition is, you can see it stores the user configuration settings such as desktop settings, Windows settings, and application settings of the current logged user. Current user, that is which is logged into the OS. So that is, it stores, you can write current user configuration settings desktop Windows settings. Next is HK local machine. This is also known as HKLM. It stores the configuration settings that are specific to the computer and the software installed on it, but independent of the users. That is, one user cannot define the others. So you can write it stores individual this is the HKey users. The HKey local machine is the definition here. You correct it as it stores the configuration settings specific to computer and the software installed on it, but independent to users. That is, local machine should contain the local user information. In short, HK users is here, HKU. It stores individual user configuration settings such as desktop, Windows, application settings for all users in the computer. That is, in this window all user information are kept here. that is it stores in short stores all user info of desktop, Windows and configuration settings. Next is last one is its current configurator, which are common to all desktop information users. It specifies hardware and software settings that apply to all users for a given hardware profile. That we can see if that is it. The current configuration hold all hardware information of the users of the computers. That it stores hardware and software settings that common to all users. So these are the main key points, key hives of its key handle to a registry key in a computer. So next we want to show some registry value types were given as reg underscore az, registry underscore binary, the word, keyword, multi underscore az, expand underscore az. What are these az defines here? You see here registry as means zero terminated string. As indicates zero terminated string. The registry terminates the values with 00 byte when you try to edit the registry as value. So next is binary. The data types contains binary data containing zeros or ones. It contains data types zeros or ones. Registry dword. The dword, this data type is of 32-bit numeric data. It can hold integer data from 0 through 2 to the power 32, but simply stores binary data. It stores binary data for numeric value up to 2 to the power 32. Keyword. Registry keyword is the data type of 64-bit numeric data. That is, it holds 64-bit values for numeric data. Multi-AZ. This is data type contains a group of zero terminated strings. So a group of contains a group of zero terminated string. Expand as it is also the zero terminated string data types. It contains an unexpanded reference to an environment variable such as percentage system root percentage. This data type is used to create a key that contains a variable name. So this also manages to define data value for a variable name for percent system root percent location. So it is clear now. These are the values which can be modified in registry for different action. So I think it is sufficient for the basic information of registry and registry values types. And in the next session I will try to establish a changing value of registry and the effect on this system, that is my computer will work certain performance changes certain performance after changing values in a registrator. So it will be discussed in my next video soon. Thank you. If it is liked by you, please click on the like button and share to your friends too. Thank you.